Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to easily remove wallpaper. I don't have a full wall of wallpaper, but I do have this powder bath that has wallpaper along the border. And I searched the internet over and over trying to find, looking at all different kinds of videos, trying to figure out how to do this. And so I kind of came up with my own concoction, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's actually working. So what I did is I took, in a spray bottle, I put just a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of Dawn, the blue Dawn detergent, and very, very hot water, and then I just mixed it up. The first step you want to do, and you can see it, so I've already peeled it, so I got this started. So the first step, what you're going to do is you're going to just peel off the top layer. It doesn't have to be pretty, just peel it off as much as you can. As you can see, I've already done. And then you're going to take your spray bottle and you're just going to spray, 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 spray. You want to make sure that it's nice and wet, and just work in sections here. So I just worked in sections here. Now I do have this, I bought this, but I would highly recommend that you get one that is not as sharp. This one is stiff. I guess maybe they sell some that are not as stiff, not as sharp maybe. But this is what I have. This is what I'm doing with it. So then you're going to take this, and I'm going to flip the camera here. And you're just going to start it off here and just kind of work it in. And you're seeing that it's now starting to peel. It's not going to be perfect, but look how easy that is coming off. When I just go nice and slow, you can see right here where it's now starting to not, it's kind of breaking up. And you can just take your little scraper here, and actually I was using my nails earlier too, sorry. Take your little scraper here and then just keep going and just keep going, and look how easy that's coming off. I was really amazed. I'm gonna peel this off here just real quick because I want you to show you what to do when it doesn't peel. So I have some here that did not peel off. There's two things that you can do. Of course, you can just come through and peel, but the other thing that I did is I got a towel and then I just kind of scraped it off, and you can see how easily it comes off. Some of it doesn't, and I kind of use my nail there. Don't pay attention to my nails. There we go. But then it just scrapes off. Look how easy that is. So I just wanted to make a quick video. So just to recap, peel off the first layer of the wallpaper, and then get a spray bottle with a little bit of distilled vinegar and a little bit of Dawn, and I used probably this much vinegar and then just a little bit of Dawn, very hot water, shook it up, and then I sprayed it on there, and then you can start to peel. It works.